I created a pipeline management system for the VFX studios where there is a lack of coordination between the VFX supervisor and company that who is the top management and the artist. So everybody in the same page. When I gave the short correction, automatically it will go to the management also, to the artist also. Communication has to be in the same page. Like this is the application I created in the Python for the new. With my tool set, what are the advantages for the project management? I will show you. Like for example, right now my project location. So for example, I am working on multiple projects like project one, project two, project three, project four, and every project will have different sequences. Okay, it's like a short management system. Okay, so this is my app. With this pipeline I can manage the data like multiple options I created. The tool set to give the correction to the artist. Right now let me check the data of project one and sequence one. If I can check the entire data here, sequence information, if I click, automatically it opens that right now it what is how many shots are approved, how many shots are in corrections. Let me check like a shot number 6 is not approved here. Let me go and give that approval for the shot number 6 from my again see the data right now. It is showing how much percentage of the data, like how many shots are approved. The data is dynamically updated from the Excel. Let me, short number 6 is not approved. Select short number 6. If I want to give the correction, send correction. Send correction. So as a supervisor, I'm giving the supervisor corrections here. Status, if I click approve here, and if I want to send any message, done, it is okay. Now, what is happening is it is sending the data. Now, if I open sequence information, now previously there is a shot number 6 is not approved. I already now enter my data. Now is approved 6 shots. How many shots are approved, how many shots are in correction stage, the data is will be dynamically updated. For example, how many people are working, like a Krishna, Rohit, Ravi, Rajesh, they are working. How much percentage they are right now, or they're in the current stage. It is exactly that data will be sorted. For example, if I want to change the shots to artist, I can import anytime, import sequence in the Nuke. So right now I linked my software with the Nuke. So we can do this linking of the my software to with any other software. Okay. Right now I'm using the Nuke as a compositing software. I link this Nuke with my app. For example, import sequence. We're working at the project one and sequence one. Let me open project one sequence data. So with my pipeline, I have the ability to import latest versions of the 10 shots, or I can import shift one, all versions of the this department. So these are the comp. Right now, this shot number 9 is in the third version is running on. Shot number 8 is right now, fourth version is running on. So let me see the sequence information. I think we already approved shot number 8, fourth version. Okay. I want to change, not fourth version, I want to change the third version to be approved. Let me close this Excel. Now what I will do, shift W, I approved this version, third version. So this information we can open from here also, sequence information of project one and sequence one. Automatically, if you see that approved version of the shot number 8 is changed to third version. Okay version is the third version. So now not only from there, I can directly open the anytime I can open, select the shot, and I can open this information of the shot. Whatever the correction version one, what I told, what I can have the hyperlink of every folder. So anytime I can open this folder from the Nuke also. Excel, I can open the all information from here also. See, it's every folder, roto department, prep department, in which folder, which version it is going on. For example, short number 6, I want to give the correction in the pre-department. So pre-department latest, I want to give one correction to artist. What I can do, select the short number 6, send correction from here. You can give the correction from the nuke also, and we can give the correction from outside app also. Okay. Now correction, what the correction I want to give? I want to give the correction for the prep department. Prep department, I want to clean up, clean up BG, clean up BG. Now I want to give version one of the cleanup department, send the correction. Now if I don't give the version number, automatically it goes to the latest department. If I don't mention the prep, department here, automatically it will go to the comp version. Now go ahead. If I click go ahead, the proceed, it's going to prep version one. Message went. Now, right now, which shot we gave the correction? Shot number 6. Okay, shot number 6 of the prep department. Like I can take the shot number 6, import all shots and all versions. If I import all shots and all versions, we can import every shot, all shots and all versions. All versions. Now we given prep version 1 correction, correct? Prep CG, I think prep we gave the correction shift M. Clean BG. Whatever the message I sent from outside app, it is coming to the nuke. For example, if I want to give correction from nuke, that it should this correction should go to the app. So what I am doing is I am giving prep version 2. What I gave the correction? Clean BG. If I give the correction shift W, clean FG. Clean BG and clean FG. If I send this correction, automatically message went. So here with this app short number 6, I want to open all the departments data or prep department data. If I open prep department data, short info, if I open, so in prep, so first version 1 from this app we gave that correction. Sorry, I opened the pre-department. Sorry, let me open the prep department. Okay, short all info. So first we told that clean BG in the version 1 from this app. Now we gave that correction from the nuke. It automatically reflects in this app here. So like that, it's my data. Like whenever I'm importing the shots in the nuke. Okay, if I select one shot, so this shot has like this many departments. If I select 3 shots, this 3 shots import all shots, all versions. So this 3 shots data is imported here. So anytime, for example, what is the shot number? Shot number 9 of shot number 9. This is a shot number 9 data. Okay. Let me open shot number 9 and I want to give the correction to version 3 of the version 3 com. I want to give the correction, give correction, change to yellow, no, not yellow, red. If I give this correction to here, so we gave correction to shot number 9 of version 3. If I open the app, shot number 9, I can shot number 9, select the shot number 9. I give the correction in the comp. I can see the shot info. So I told change red color, that communication came here. But how artist will know? I can open this import script, latest script, import script. Automatically this comp work file will be opened. So if I click M, whatever the correction, change color to red. So now what I'm doing is, let me open this. Uh, red. So now let me render as a version up, Shift P. Oh, let me do the version up. I created a tool set so that no need of creating folders. It is doing version up. Now previously version 3 is there. Now it is rendering version 4. Now let me delete this paths. Render. Render. Now the artist job is done. If you click Shift Q, done, changed, changed red, red from yellow. The communication is sent. If he is thinking he's at 40% of work is done. If he click yes, if he clicks yes, mail send mail yes, automatically mail will shoot from the new to the supervisor. So now I think yes, change red from yellow. Mail sent yes. Now if you see automatically, so mail change red from yellow, the mail is gone. Now supervisor, he can directly import this shot, Shift 1, all shots, all versions. Now he got the latest version will be imported here. Now what he can do, if I click, we can open this Excel of this shot information from this app also. Shot number 9, shot info or latest info. Give the sequence information of all the shots. I want to see only this shot information, shot latest info, or I can open the shot all folders information. So artist told that whatever the communication he gave, so this information, whatever it is coming with the thumbnail, these are with the MOVs. We can play the version 1 what I rendered. We can play with hyperlinks version 1 what we gave the version 4. As a supervisor, I want to give the correction to this guy. Shift O is a correction shortcut. Okay, change to. I want to give some correction here. So now what happened is some annotation I'm giving here. Let me render here. So from this app, whatever the correction, if I click short all info, so whatever the correction I given right now, that will be played from here. So right now, the communication is exactly from going supervisor to the management and artist without any bridge. Like I can send a mail also. And for example, if I want to see the sequence information here, okay. Total how many shots are there? I think in this shot number 7 and 5 is has to stop from the client. Okay. Now what I can do is shot number 5, 6, 7. I can from app 5, 6, 7. Okay. I want to view the communication, send corrections. For these 3 shots, what I want to do is I want to stop the work. Okay. So if I click, and if you want to send the mail, yes. So whenever I'm stopping the work, it should go to the all departments, like every department, like a roto, prep, CG, everything. If I click yes, automatically the data, I want to send multiple data, yes, because every time I don't want to click yes, yes, yes. Okay. If I go ahead, So data is gone. Mail, if I open the mail, seven departments into five shots. Total 15 people will shoot this mail without opening Gmail and sending the data. So with this app, what I can do is I can send multiple short corrections and multiple department corrections single time only. Check this data from open this Excel from the app also. I can open Excel from the Nuke also. If I click this sequence information, three shots I stopped. The whatever the shots I stopped, that color is changed. Right now, how many shots are stopped, how many shots are approved, how many shots, which person, how many shots are approved, total that data will be dynamically changed. So, for example, let me concentrate on the one department only. Save, close. Okay. Let me open the data of project one, sequence one, comp. Okay. Now this is the I can only concentrating on the comp department all versions. So now let me open this sequence data, shift 0. This is the status. Let me approve 4 and 2 and 6 also approve. Think that 4 to 6 short number. 6 shift W approved. 2. Let me approve version 1. Shift W approve version 1. Let me approve 4 also. Shift W approve. Then if I click shift 0, right now I think total 5 shots are approved. Which shots are pending still? Think that shot number 9 also let me approve. 9 and 10 also let me approve. Shot number 10 I am approving version 2. Shift W approve. Shot number 9. Let me approve this one also. Now, if I again shift 0, dynamically my entire how many total 7 shots are approved, only 2 shots are stopped, 1 shot is pending. So how many shots? I think approved shot. So Krishna done 100% of work. Rohit 2 shots, 1% is Ravi in 2 shots. Approved shots is 2, 100% work is done. Rajesh 3 shots, 2 shots are done. He done 80% of the work. So we have the graphical representation is also coming. Now, for example, what I want to do is I want to make the lineup of how many Krishna has 3 shots. In these 2 shots are approved. Okay. I can make the lineup of Krishna. Okay. So 3 shots of lineup of Krishna will come here. So this is the lineup of Krishna. If I want to make lineup of Krishna of OK shots, only 2 shots lineup will be done. 2 shots are approved from the Krishna. So like that we can do automatically any artist lineup every day, and what are the shots are approved. I can make the lineup of approved shots. I can make the lineup of correction shots. I can make the lineup untouched shots. This is a dynamically. So anytime I can open this app, I can see that information of not only right now we are working in the project 1 and project 2. Let me go to project 2. I can go to sequence 1. I can see sequence information of this project right now. What is the condition? How many shots are approved? So supervisor is giving the correction automatically. I made it like a centralized data so that whenever I am giving the correction, the data will be changed. So I can see anytime as a project manager, I can see the entire which project is in which condition, which how many shots are approved, like a percentage of the each and every artist track record we can maintain with this application. Let me start from the scratch. Like I forget to show how the project will be started. Today from DI, I got 10 shots from DI. Okay, 1 minute. These are my 10 shots. So we don't have project file. we are right now only having all the projects for the project 4. So right now I'm starting from scratch. How I will start the project? Okay, Shift J. I am doing the project 5 creation. I am doing PRJ 05 project 5 sequence 01. This is the image based project. If I click yes. Now what happened is project 5 data is created here. Data is created with Excels and everything here. Now let me create workflow for the that folders and import sequence scan. From project 5, I am importing all the short sequence here. Shift T. Now I want to only just to show all. No, I'm not creating a pipeline for all the departments, just only comp. Now what is happening is it's creating the workflow for all the shots. It creates them on new file or output with the slate, MOV, everything will be rendered there, and the Excel also will be generated. That will be placed in this edit folder. Now project 5. Now what is happening is in comp this data is creating here whatever. So it is creating the folders. It is creating the work file. It is creating the Excel. Now this is the data is generated here. So total 10 shots. Now I did not assign to any shot to anyone. Let me see. Let me assign the shots to, let me Shift A list. I want to assign the shot. I want to change to red color. Deadline I'm giving 5 days. Artist I'm keep taking from the list. Send mail, no. Multiple data, yes. Okay. If I click this one, now I assign these 3 shots to Rajesh. Supervisor is Chiru. Now again this 3 shots, Shift A, change to blue color, list, multiple data, yes. Now I change to Rohit. I assign this 3 shots to Rohit. Now if I click 0, now I assign these shots to Rohit 3 shots, Rajesh 3 shots. I did not assign 4 shots. Now data is automatically whatever the work I am telling to change to red color, that information is coming to here. Now again, this 4 shots, Shift A, Shift W, Shift A, change to pink, list, Ravi. If I click send mail, yes, mail will go to the artist. Okay. Now if I open the if I open the sequence information, the shot is assigned to Ravi. So I can import all the latest versions. Latest versions are here. So these are the version ones of all the files. I can play as a supervisor this shot. Okay, if this shot is approved, if I click Shift W, approved. One shot is approved. Shift W, this shot is approved. 2 shots are approved. Now if I click Shift 0, that now 2 shots are approved. So one shot of Rajesh and one shot is of Ravi is approved. Now Rajesh is in 33% of work done. Ravi is in the 25% of the work done. So Rajesh is the major work he finished. Overall project 20% of work is done. So remaining shot are still not yet to start. So like this, uh, within a like a, I got a 10 shots. I can quickly create a folder. I can click. My Excel is also I'm not writing. So with my pipeline, what is happening is I can open any this workflow. Project file, sequence file, work file. If I open this script, this file is with my Python automatically it is created and the file will be ready. let me open this one. Okay. When I open this one, so no need of opening this Excel also. Like whatever the communication I am giving, it is automatically coming here. So change to red color, I can see without opening. Mail also will come. I can give that get the information in the workflow itself only. Now I can change this color and I can render and I can send communication to the supervisor also. Uh, we can send the mail automatically. Whatever the correction I'm giving, I can open from the this Excel. I can open from the when I'm opening this. Open the Excel of sequence information. Shift 0 is a shortcut. I can open the sequence information. Shift 0. Shift 0. So this is the sequence information. So I don't want to open the sequence. Shift 9 is a shortcut to open the that all folders information. Let me open any shot from the, we have all departments in other sequences like import single scan. I am opening the from OS. Project 1 has all the departments, sequence 1. I am opening shot number 5. Okay. When I open the shot number 5, this scan is coming. I can import all shots, all versions here. Okay. From so this is it is importing the this shot. Okay. So let me open shift. If I click shift 9, so this automatically it is open the comp. Let me open the roto information with this. I can click the roto information from here. I can open the all departments information. Okay, here. So let me show one more thing. If I approve this shot, shift W, approve. So comp one approved. Comp one version is approved. Prep shift W. This I am approving. Okay. Uh, DMP I'm approving. DM approved. Okay. DMP. If I click this shot, I want to import only OK versions from all the departments. Only what are the shots I approved, only those versions will be approved, imported here. So when I'm working comp of any shots, I can import any other shots, any department works into my nuke. So, for example, if I'm working in the comp, Rotos has seven versions. Supervisor is approved only third version. When I'm importing OK version, automatically it pulls the approved version of the Roto supervisor to the nuke file. So like this, I need not to open any when I'm working on the nuke. So this shot I want to open the prep work file. Okay, import script of prep department. I can which version I can mention the version number also. I can give the latest version or user version or correction version prep. If I open this, automatically it opens the nuke file. So with limited time, I can create the folders. Proper structure will be created. From there, I can edit the. I can open the work file renders. I can copy paste the data of approved shots with one click.